It's Ariel WNGs 1940. It's unrestored. Bought like this and it will be sold like this. We're not going to do this one up. It's road registered now. It's running okay. It's worn. It's a used bike, and it will be priced as such. It's got quite a very interesting history. It was stationed in Orkney at one of the 3 early warning radar stations that was set up by the RAF to warn us of planes coming over from Norway area. And although it is actually could be badged to an RAF regiment, the personnel who manned it were army, so you could go either way on this one. It's I say very early. It's got the rubber mounted handlebars, few post-war bits on it, but a good old rideable bike. Needs a bit of TLC, I suspect, a bit like me. That's it, Pete. I reckon that'll do. It's good.